This is a $200 taco. Okay, now first thing is first, I'm gonna see if I can make these tacos more expensive. I think there is a truffle shop here at Pike Place Market. I've never been there, so we'll see if this works. Truffle Queen, let's see what's up. So far, I don't see any truffles in the shop. It looks like mainly they just have like truffle tasting things. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Do y'all have truffles here?
Let's see, we...
No truffles?
No, so the...
Damn. Oh, Socios would have them?
They might.
Okay. Okay, so at the truffle shop, no truffles, but I'm gonna see about Socios. I just went to a truffle shop. They don't have truffles. Do you all have truffles? Dope. So it looks like the truffle shop doesn't have truffles, but the produce stand has truffles. Socios.
Yeah, so 100, 50, and then 25. And like this is like, oh, this guy right here.
We'll do that one.
All right, sure.
Sweet. Looks like you guys have fiddleheads, but I'll come back for that
Yeah, I'm
later.
sure you've already cooked it.
Truffles secured. Now on to the main part of the fish tacos, the fish itself. Ryan, what's up, bud? How you doing?
Good. You taking a break from feeding all those moms?
Yeah, no more MILFs today. Make some expensive fish tacos with truffles, black cod.
Oh my god.
Yeah, yeah, of course. So that's what I'm doing today.
That's beautiful. What kind of fish you want to use?
I would say black cod, right?
That's the one. That's my favorite fish in the world.
Yeah, that works. Thanks. Later. Okay, so far, fish secured, truffle secured. I just thought of one more thing to do. I'm gonna get some fresh masa for these tortillas. Okay, here's a store called Maíz. And at Maíz, I think I can find some fresh masa. Looks like they have a wide selection of masa here. Pretty rad. There she is, she's bagging it up. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. All right, guys, we got masa now, so everything's secured for the tacos. Also, I just realized I do have a truffle slicer, but I don't know where it is. And I don't feel like maybe not having it, maybe I lent it to somebody. So I'm just gonna go to the freaking Sur La Table, get a truffle slicer. By the way, this is the first ever Sur La Table. You know, if you get truffles, you need to get a truffle slicer for the thing because it will actually, you don't have them? No truffle slicer. Come on, damn, thank you. Okay, so the first Sur La Table, they don't have truffle slicers. So I'm gonna go to another market. Yes, sir.
Oh,
looking for a truffle slicer, please.
Okay, sure.
Thank you. I've been coming to this shop for 10 years, and this man always knows where everything is in the store. Like I literally just said truffle slicer, he knows exactly where to go, and I'm assuming not many people ask for that. Boom, perfect. Thank you so much, sir. Also, I can't believe I scored this parking spot right in front of the market. That never happened. Okay. Yo, I just spent like $200 on all this stuff. Subscribe, like the video. Okay, first things first. Oh my God, that smells so good. If you guys ever buy a truffle, put it into rice like this. So the reason why you put it in rice and you keep it refrigerated is that's what keeps it very fresh and very fragrant. And it's a win-win because when you're done with the truffle, you're left with truffle rice. Okay, so I've got this fresh masa. Balls. Okay, and cue music. Before I get on to anything, I'm gonna make my corn tortillas. I take these little plastic pieces I cut out of a Ziploc baggie, press it out, and then once fully pressed out, I shred the truffle over top of it. Yeah, I know, I didn't use the truffle shaver, but this worked so much better. Once I had all my corn tortillas laid out, I cooked them on my stove plancha. It was at about 400 degrees Oh my
Fahrenheit,
God, that smells good.
Bake it off on each side, toss it into a towel. If you want a full video, I have a full video on corn tortillas. And yes, the famous cheese from my childhood, queso Oaxaca, super melty cheese. It's very stringy. You can actually pull apart the entire ball into a long piece. I put it onto my little cast iron skillets, tossed it into a 500 degree Fahrenheit oven. While that's going, I unwrap my beautiful black cod. I wanted to keep the skin on, so what I do is I cut the tail end off, and then I remove the spine piece from the main loin. That little spiny piece can be used for fish stock later on if you'd like. like. Then I just portioned it out into little 4-ounce pieces. And then in a carbon steel pan, I put in some neutral cooking oil. I used peanut oil for this. Seasoned my fish generously with salt and then place it skin down on the pan. Very important to make sure to apply pressure with your hands to get that initial sear. Once fully cooked, I remove all of that oil, flip the fish over, and then toss in a generous amount of butter. Once that melts, turns brown, I add in lemon juice. Give it a little basty baste and get a beautiful citrusy glaze on my fish. And now it's not a taco without avocado. So for this, I wanted to make it a little bit fancy. Take a tiny melon baller and make a bunch of little balls so it can be kind of like a large caviar to go along with my truffle. I shaved truffle into it so I have more truffle flavor because I spent $100 on this stuff. I'm using it. Season it with salt, mix it up, and there we go. We have a truffle avocado mixture. Then I remove the queso Oaxaca once it's all brown, bubbly, GBD, delicious, sizzling goodness. Just look at this cheese. Take a tortilla, put it on the plate, smash some fish on it, put some avocado on it, do the rest, put all the cheese on top of it, and there we go. We have a beautiful $200 taco. Now tell me in the comments, would you spend $200 on this taco right here? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this style of video, and I'll see you next Tuesday.